All right. Hi, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. I'm so thankful that you care enough about yourself to improve your grades and scores on the PSAT and SAT, which is our focus right now. I left the work from our last video up. 2 ways to clear it. One is you can hit this, if you're just practicing, you can just refresh the calculator. But you can hit that gear and delete all. And then sometimes it'll take you back to center. Other times you would have to hit the home button. Okay. We are doing page 116 of my Shameless Plug book. If you have time to get it, it is $14.95 on Amazon. If you don't, and you're like, just watching the videos right before the test, make sure you have paper and pencil just so you can take notes. No matter what, make sure you have Desmos open and you've selected College Board. Number 1. Oh, forgot. Let's read what I put in bold print first. Remember that for systems of inequalities, the shaded region is, that's great. That's what we want. That's the solution. Anything in the shaded region is the solution. In the unshaded region, it is not a solution. If the dot is located on a solid line, it's a solution. If it's on a dotted line, then no, it is not a solution. Even if the point is in the shaded region in 1, if it's on the dotted line, it is not a solution. So let's look at number 1 to really talk about that more. Graph the following system of inequalities and state one point that is not a solution. There is literally an infinite number of points that are not solutions just because that's how inequalities work. Is less than or equal to -11. Always double check your work when you type stuff in, especially if you're doing it at 1:46 in the morning, like I am. All right, real quick, let's just talk about this. If I have the point, I'm going to show you wrong answers first. -3.5. Okay, not a solution because it's only in the blue. -3 +5, not a solution because it's in the white. Okay, if we did +3.5, not a solution because it's only 1 on the red, but most importantly, it's on the dotted line. If we do 0, I'm showing you all the wrong ones first. 0, -7. Look at how it's like it's so close, but it's on the dotted line. If the red line wasn't equal to, and it's not, but I'm going to make it, now it would work. It would count. This point would totally count because it's in both, but it's not. So it wouldn't count. So we need to pick a point that is very clearly in here somewhere. I mean, you can be crazy and just do 20 -35 would work, but anything in here would work. So we're just going to do 5 -15. See, it's very clearly in the region, so that is one of our answers. And like I said, there's an infinite number of answers. Graph the following system of inequalities. Determine the point that is the solution. That is a solution. X plus y is greater than 2. 2x minus y is less than or equal to 3. All right, so again, we got to do up here. We want a solution. Oh my gosh, I messed up. You didn't tell me. Let's do this one and then we'll go back. This one is wrong because I gave you one that was a solution and it said not. Okay, I guess I'm going to blame 1:46 in the morning. So one that is a solution, well, let's just say 0.8 for here. Okay, because 0.8 would put us up there. So clearly a solution, not on the dotted line. All right, let's hit the back button because we realized my mistake. And then, so any of all of the examples I gave you in the beginning are correct. So you could very easily do 0, -15. I can't believe I did that. Like, how funny. So like, for example, if this was 0, -15. Oh, wait, that is a solution. -15. Let's do, wow, I can't believe I did that. How funny. -10, -2 is only in the blue. So that's not a solution. So any of the earlier stuff, we're going to do an obvious example, which will be 0, 20. Okay, that's obviously in the white area, not a solution. But in the other example, 0, 8 is the solution, simply because that was in the shaded region. Okay, for number 3, again, this is not a not, so lesson learned. Make sure they don't say not when you do the question. 4x plus y is less than 2. 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 5. Oof, -5. All right, it does want a solution, so anything in the shaded region works. Let's just do the point, -10, 10. And I do like you guys to type it out just to make sure it works. And so this clearly is in the shaded region, so that one would work. All right. Thank you for watching this video. As I have proven, it is okay to make mistakes. You just learn from them and move on. In our next and last video of Unit 6, we are going to do more challenging questions relating to graphs of linear systems and inequalities. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.